My car is broken. My car is broken. I need to find an auto repair shop. I need to find an auto repair shop. Is there a repair shop nearby? Is there a repair shop nearby? My car won't start. My car won't start. There's something wrong with the engine. There's something wrong with the engine. I need an oil change. I need an oil change. My brakes are making noise. My brakes are making noise. Please check the tires. Please check the tires. My car is leaking oil. My car is leaking oil. My AC isn't working. My AC isn't working. Can it be fixed today? Can it be fixed today? How long will the repair take? How long will the repair take? How much will the repair cost? How much will the repair cost? I need towing service. I need towing service. My headlights aren't working. My headlights aren't working. I have a flat tire. I have a flat tire. I need new tires. I need new tires. My wipers are broken. My wipers are broken. Please do a routine checkup. Please do a routine checkup. My car is making a strange noise. My car is making a strange noise. The exhaust pipe has a problem. The exhaust pipe has a problem. My car can't accelerate. My car can't accelerate. The battery is dead. The battery is dead. Can you check the battery? Can you check the battery? My car needs an inspection. My car needs an inspection. Does this part need replacement? Does this part need replacement? I want to know what's wrong with the car. I want to know what's wrong with the car. Can you give me an estimate? Can you give me an estimate? I need to fix the air conditioning. I need to fix the air conditioning. My steering is very stiff. My steering is very stiff. The brakes aren't working well. The brakes aren't working well. It's hard to start my car. It's hard to start my car. My engine is overheating. My engine is overheating. The radiator is leaking. The radiator is leaking. Can you check the cooling system? Can you check the cooling system? The transmission feels weird. The transmission feels weird. My car is leaking water. My car is leaking water. My car smells strange. My car smells strange. The engine sounds off. The engine sounds off. I need regular maintenance. I need regular maintenance. The gear shift is stuck. The gear shift is stuck. Please refill water and gas. Please refill water and gas. Check the brake pads, please. Check the brake pads, please. The tire pressure is low. The tire pressure is low. Please inflate the tires. Please inflate the tires. What's the problem here? What's the problem here? My car suddenly stalled. My car suddenly stalled. I hear noises from the undercarriage. I hear noises from the undercarriage. Can you check the wheel alignment? Can you check the wheel alignment? Please do a wheel alignment. Please do a wheel alignment. The check engine light is on. The check engine light is on. Should I be worried? Should I be worried? Why is the warning light on? Why is the warning light on? Will this repair be expensive? Will this repair be expensive? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a quote? Can I get a quote? Can I see the estimate first? Can I see the estimate first? How long is the repair warranty? How long is the repair warranty? Does the cost include parts? Does the cost include parts? Do I need to replace the oil filter? Do I need to replace the oil filter? Can you check the exhaust system? Can you check the exhaust system? My car's AC isn't cold. My car's AC isn't cold. Does the AC need more refrigerant? Does the AC need more refrigerant? My car broke down on the highway. My car broke down on the highway. Is there emergency roadside assistance? Is there emergency roadside assistance? My car was towed. My car was towed. Will you update me on the repair progress? Will you update me on the repair progress? Will you call me when it's done? Will you call me when it's done? What parts were replaced in this repair? What parts were replaced in this repair? Do you use original parts? Do you use original parts? Can I choose aftermarket parts? Can I choose aftermarket parts? Is this a new or used part? Is this a new or used part? My car is shaking unusually. My car is shaking unusually. Maybe the wheels aren't aligned. Maybe the wheels aren't aligned. I need my car back quickly. I need my car back quickly. My car has an electrical issue. My car has an electrical issue. Do you replace batteries? Do you replace batteries? The power windows aren't working. The power windows aren't working. I can't open the car door. I can't open the car door. The door is locked. The door is locked. I locked my keys inside. I locked my keys inside. Can you help me unlock it? Can you help me unlock it? I need a tow truck. I need a tow truck. My car is smoking. My car is smoking. The fuel gauge is inaccurate. The fuel gauge is inaccurate. The dashboard isn't responding. The dashboard isn't responding. The interior lights won't turn on. The interior lights won't turn on. My car has water leakage inside. My car has water leakage inside. The engine startup sound is odd. The engine startup sound is odd. Can you check the spark plugs? Can you check the spark plugs? Do you think it's safe to drive? Do you think it's safe to drive? The exhaust is emitting black smoke. The exhaust is emitting black smoke. The gas pedal doesn't respond. The gas pedal doesn't respond. The AC randomly turns off. The AC randomly turns off. Is this car worth fixing? Is this car worth fixing? How many days will the repair take? How many days will the repair take? Can I borrow a loaner car? Can I borrow a loaner car? Do you offer pickup or drop-off service? Do you offer pickup or drop-off service? Will the car be washed after the repair? Will the car be washed after the repair? Thanks for fixing my car. Thanks for fixing my car.